Hey everyone, it's Kara. So today I have a Ulta haul for you guys. This is part of the 21 Days of Beauty event that's going on right now. They have a calendar with certain deals every day for 21 days, and I looked at it and there was really only one thing that I wanted to order. So that's what this haul is going to be. So I got the Kylie Jenner lip kits. I've never had these before, so I have no idea how they're going to be, but I've really wanted them for a long time, and I figured I would try them since they were A, hyped up for so long, and B, they were on sale. So I got 4 of them, and I got a couple other things. So this one is called Sprinkle Kylie lip kit, and this has a velvet liquid lipstick and a lip liner in every kit. So I'm not going to try these on, I'm just going to show you. So purple lip color. I figured this would be a good color for fall. I really like purple lips during the fall. Look how pretty this is. That's gorgeous. Kylie. Okay, so this one is called Sprinkle. I'll put these back in the box so they don't get mixed up. This one is Cocoa K. So we have the lip liner, which is kind of like a nude. That's really what the color is. So it's just kind of like a, I guess like a dark nude pink. And this is the liquid lipstick. So that one is Cocoa K. And this one is Candy K. Which this one looks like it's going to be more nude. And that's Candy K. This one and Cocoa K look a little similar, so I wonder how they're going to be different on the lips. I would swatch these, but I'm about to go run errands, and I don't want to have like lipstick stains on my hand when I go out. And this last one is Kylie. So, like I said, these 3 all look pretty similar. They're kind of like the perfect nude color. This one looks a little bit darker, but still kind of like a nudish, pinkish color. So, those are the 4 that I got. Going back in there. Okay. And then I got this Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics set. And again, this is a liquid lip. I don't know how to open this. Okay, here we go. Let's see. So this one comes with 4. So this one is called Clo Money. Clo Money. Again, like a nudish, pinkish color. This one is Gorge. Kind of like Gorgeous, but like shortened. So this one's like a burgundy, reddish color. That'll be pretty for like Christmas time. This one is Damn Gina. This one's like a brownish nude with like shimmer in it. You're probably not going to be able to see that. Can you kind of see that a little bit? I'm trying to put this one on my hand so you can see it. That's Damn Gina. Here, I'll put the other three because I don't think these are going to stain as bad as the other liquid. So this one's Clo Money. So Clo Money's right here. This is Damn Gina. This one is Gorge. The dark one is Gorge. And this last one is called Ochre. I can't ever say it, like how Cardi B says it. I can't say that. My sister can do it, but it's like okay with the rolled R's. I can't say that. And this one's like a brighter red color. These are really pretty. So, Ochre, Gorge, Clo Money, and Damn Gina. So, that is this little Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics set. Last thing I got is the new Ariana Grande Thank You Next perfume. And I got a free gift with the purchase, which is these socks. They're like taped onto this like cardboard, but they say thank you next. I don't know if I'm going to keep these, we'll see. But I figured I would show that since I did get it. And this is the Thank You Next perfume. I got the 3.4 ounce. I love the Ariana Grande perfumes. It has a picture of Ariana on the side. Again, Thank You Next. Another picture of Ari. And then a heart up here, and it says Ariana Grande Thank You Next right there. I've already put this on. It smells really good. It's, I kind of wish they would have come out with it earlier in the summer because it's got, I looked up the notes after I sprayed it, and I thought I smelled coconut when I sprayed it, and it definitely, I looked up the notes and it has coconut in it. I'm like, y'all really should have come out with this in the beginning of the summer. But this is the bottle with the heart, and the perfume comes out. This is kind of like the cloud perfume, where the cloud perfume came with the cloud and then you took the bottle out to use it. But the bottle's pretty simple. It's got like this fancy top. The top is kind of like a clearish, pinkish color. I can't tell if the bottle itself is pink or just the liquid is pink and it's making it pink. But it's still really pretty. It kind of reminds me of like the Chanel Chance perfume, the pink one. That's kind of what the bottle reminds me of. And then, like I said, it comes with the heart. And then you can just pop it right in there. It smells really good. Like I said, it's got coconut in it. I can't smell it. I mean, you can still smell it, but I can't pick up the other notes as much as when I first sprayed it, but I knew right away it had coconut in it. So that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.